Finding the gradient of y is equal to x cubed. In the graph here, the equation of the curve is y is equal to x cubed. P is the point with x coordinate x. The y coordinate is x cubed from the equation of the curve. So if x increases by a small change delta x, y correspondingly increases by a small change delta y, producing a point Q whose x coordinate is x plus the increment delta x, and the y coordinate is given by cubing the x coordinate according to the equation of the curve. So that's x plus delta x cubed. So we join P and Q from the chord PQ. So we have P as x cubed, and Q as x plus delta x, and the y coordinate is by cubing the x coordinate. So that's simply x plus delta x cubed according to the equation of the curve. So using our notation, that's x1, y1, x2, y2. So the gradient, grad PQ, will be y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. That gives us, that's x plus delta x cubed minus x cubed over, that's x plus delta x minus x. So on expanding the bracket, we shall have x cubed plus 3x squared delta x, then plus 3x delta x squared, then plus delta x cubed minus x cubed, all over, we're left with delta x in the denominator. So x cubed cancels with x cubed, leaving us with, we can factorize out delta x, leaving us with 3x squared plus 3x delta x, and then plus delta x squared, all over delta x. Delta x with delta x, so we are left with 3x squared plus 3x delta x, then plus delta x squared. So as we've seen previously, as delta x tends to 0, grad PQ will be 3x squared plus 3x times delta x, which is now 0, plus delta x, which is now 0 squared. And that will be 3x squared. So 3x squared is the gradient function of y is equal to x cubed.